Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Trello API key in 2024. Of course, whether you are a developer integrating Trello with some other tools or you're just trying to automate some workflows, the API key of course is essential for you. So to get it, you'll need to follow the step-by-step guide, so make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply, let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm going to use Brave browser, and of course for you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section. Here, make sure to type trello.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will be taken to the home screen or main screen right away. And of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to this page instead. And here, you will have to click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, instead click on get Trello for free, of course, to basically create your account. As you can see, you can use like a Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Slack account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, as we said, you'll find yourself in the dashboard, or you'll find yourself in the workspace, the last workspace that you visit, especially if you have a workspace. If you don't, you can simply just go and create a new workspace very easily to do. Of course, after that, you can invite members, you can do a lot of other stuff on Trello. I will let you figure out that by your own. So once you're logged in, of course, to get the API key, we will need to go to the developer, of course, API page. Of course, we can get into that very fast if we go and open a new tab and just type developer. So in this URL section, type developer.trello.com and hit the enter button. So once you do so, wait, did I type it wrong? So developer.trello.com. Okay, it's right. I don't know why. So I'll just type here developer Trello, and I did not type it correctly, but it's fine. So yeah, this is what I want basically, Trello REST API. And yeah, so here, of course, you can even, as an example, if you go here to this option, click on more, click on help as an example, you can even get into developers from here. That's great. So, an example, this gets you into developer.atlassian.com. So, an example, gets starting building as example on Trello. So, need to register as example new power up or managing existing one from here. You can manage that. If you have a question example, you can visit their developer community forums. And if you need to contact them, of course, you can contact them here. And yeah, other stuff, of course, might be needed. So here basically they'll show you how to get the API key. Here, why did I get into that? Of course, I can just go and click on that search button. And here we can just go and type how to get a developer key or API key. Just type that and see an example what we're going to get into the sports. Maybe they're gonna send us to a specific link right away. So example, integrate, etc. So oh, that's not what I want. So Trello API key. API, oh, no, not like that. So I want to get like the Trello API key. Yeah, so example here, so nothing it seems will help us here in the support, so it's fine. As I said, here basically they will show you it seems like how to request it and an example how to start using it as an example, and this is normally like is this the link as an example to API key? Just go and check. As example, just go and copy it and paste it in a new tab. So yeah, there's nothing here. I'll just type this api.trello.com and see where they will get us. So they will just get us into here right away. So basically to get it up the easy way, we'll need to just go to power ups. So of course, to get into power ups, again, I'll just go and open a new tab. So power up Trello as an example, just type that. It will take us to the power-ups right away. And this is basically what we want. Here as an example, once we are on the power-ups, you'll find like multiple power-ups if you want to add them as example to your Trello right away. But of course, for us, we don't want that. You can of course check like the ones that's made by Trello, like can view all, you can see the features, ones, you can see multiple stuff. And of course, we don't like ones, sorry, so let me just go back to where it was. So we don't want like the power-ups all. I want to get into admin. So let me just go and edit this URL in here, change this powerups/admin. And of course, this should take us normally into that specific page. So yeah, and here, exactly. As you can see, what I need to do is simply just go here and click on plus. Now, go and basically just, I'll just do here some random stuff. As an example, required for power up. Okay, so email, just fill up this. And test example, I'll just fill up again this. Like that, ads.com, and yeah, I can click on create. So create, and here as you can see, you'll find the API key. So all I need to do is just click on generate a new API key, generating a unique API example key will replace the API key as example used for personal data storage and GDPR compliance. So if you need this example, you can just go and click on that and read about its example. So it's totally up to you. Basically, you'll have 14 days to update your API key anywhere they were used to ensure power-ups remain in compliance. So click on generate a new API key, and as you can see, they will give you the API key, allowed origins, and the secret one. As you can see, for me, it's fine to show it. I'll just go and delete it afterwards this video. For you, as you can see, this is how to get your API key. You generate your key right away from here. So you can simply just click in here to copy it. And as you can see, most developer will need to ask each user authorize your application. If you are looking to build an application yourself or doing local testing, you can manually generate it like a token. You should specify the origins example of your applications and etc. So just read basically that so you understand more how to keep your API key safe. Of course, I can always just for me go and click on it and click on delete that. Of course, you'll have just to go and enter the name of it and click on delete. And as you can see, the API key for me, it's deleted without any problems. So I hope this video was helpful for you to know how to get your API key ready. So thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.